is coming up and some of you may be planning on a first date. Thousands of questions must be running through your head on what to do, what not to do, where to go, what to speak, just basically how to make it work. Welcome to TV9 News. I am Jyoti Jha and I have brought to you 9 basic tips from best of the experts and studies across the world that will help you feel more prepared and less nervous. Tip number 1. Choose the right place. According to most of the professional dating coaches, choosing the right place is very important. So where to go? Go to places where you can hear each other loud and clear. Because the fewer interruption, the better, and anywhere with people watching plus delicious food has got to be a win-win for a first date location. Where not to go? Now experts suggest that movie dates and music concerts should be always avoided for the first dates. However, you can do this for your second, third or fourth date with the same person. Tip number 2. Dress up well. Now how you present yourself is very important. Because the first impression is the basic foundation of any relationship. Relationship experts strongly suggest to avoid sloppiness, which means avoid wearing t-shirts, sweats or ratty gym shoes. Taking shower prior to the date, putting on a small amount of perfume, brush teeth, fresh breath and trim facial hair are basics. Tip number 3. Be punctual. Every dating coach's first advice to their client is to be on time on a date. Don't keep your date waiting for you on the very first meet. Many experts also suggest that doing small things like opening doors, pulling out chairs, avoid cursing and making sure to walk your date to her cab, bus or train gives a gentleman impression to your partner. Also, never forget to ask if she reached home safe or not. Tip number 4. Focus on your body language. Look like you're curious and interested. Now, most of the relationship experts and dating coaches strongly believe that your body language plays a key role and you need to be both interesting and interested at the same time. Now, how you sit, how you pay attention, your facial expressions, all this plays a very important role. So, be the way you want your partner to be to you. Tip number 5. Be engaging. To avoid awkward silence to keep the conversation going, dating and lifestyle coaches suggest that the word why really helps. According to these experts, instead of just asking what someone does for a living or what their favorite film is, finding out why they do what they do or why they like that film will get them to reveal more about their personality and create a deeper connection. So go to your date armed with some fun conversation, icebreakers and stories about yourself to share. Ideally the ones that are funny and interesting. And most important thing is you should always listen to what your date is telling you about themselves. Now that will help you pick up natural conversation. Tip number 6. Don't use your mobile phone, cheesy lines or flirt with your partner on the first date. Now using cell phone is a big no. It's not just me telling you this but also the experts. It's never a good gesture to use phones or reply to text during your date. The only exception can be an urgent call which you cannot miss. Even in that case, it's recommended to inform your date on why you have to take the call or text so your date does not misunderstand you. Tip number 7. Compliment your partner. Complimenting your partner plays a key role. Now you must be thinking what to compliment or how, right? Don't worry, we have an answer for that too. Going by one of UK's best dating coach, men should avoid using the word nice. For example, you should avoid saying things like you look nice tonight. Instead, you can replace the word nice with lovely, pretty or maybe something more dynamic that focuses on more detailed attribute of your partner. Now studies also show that complimenting your partner on something she is wearing or on the scent of her perfume is a very good way to appreciate the efforts she has put to get ready for the date. Tip number 8. Be genuine and do not pretend to be someone you are not. Studies on relationship and dating shows that posturing some better version of whom you would like to present is misleading to your date and sets the wrong tone for future interactions. It's a game that cannot be maintained and guarantees dissatisfaction for both the parties. The goal of dating is to find someone who wants what you want and wants that with you. That's only possible by starting with the real you. Tip number 9, have fun and end your date on a positive note. Now, according to Susan Winter, a well-known relationship expert, making up your mind in advance to have fun is really important. According to experts, every time you meet someone new, you are gaining a vital information as to what you want in a partner. So no matter the outcome, having a positive attitude will allow you to walk away with a gain you can keep. In fact, another expert, April Davis, believes that even if your date goes really bad, it does not mean the end of the world. It will simply become a funny story to share with your friends. So having a positive attitude is very important. So, what do we have to consider before going on a date? Number 1, choose the right place. Number 2, dress up well. Number 3, be punctual. Number 4, focus on your body language. Number 5, be engaging. Number 6, no cell phones at all. Number 7, compliment your partner. Number 8, be the real you. And the 9th and the most important thing to remember is to have fun. So never forget to have fun when you're going on a date, especially your first ones. I hope this video was of help. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. For more updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News, and all the very best for your date.